Yeah, this is Daytona Bike Week 2024, not BMW Drift Week. I can tell you nobody was hurt. You can see the guy in his bike took a little tumble, but nobody was really hurt. Maybe the people that were hurt is probably just the motorcycle community. These are the type of things that don't look great on us, so everyone be safe out there. This was a legit event, so I'll go over really quickly what led up to this, because that was the end of the night. It caused us to stay way longer than we expected. And then I'll show you the aftermath of the video. Stay tuned. So we got there very early. This is a real bike event. Permits were held, everything. It was televised for stunt riders and course riders. Just timed out, seeing like the fastest time. And as you can tell, this is later on in the night after the winner was announced, and all the stunt riders are just going crazy, whipping around. And even here, no one was injured, no one was hit, so it's all just bike stuff, bike week stuff, guys. And you'll see the full video on my channel when I get to upload that. We're in the middle of bike week still. There's me, and afterwards there's the BMW in question right there, plotting its demise. You got some other riders that weren't in the show, just kind of showing off. That's the only entrance and exit, by the way, which is pretty important later. Still just bikes, just showing off a little bit, harmless fun. And then right before the end of the night, the BMW week, apparently, dude, thought he would show off. People thought it was cool at first, but as you can tell, while I'm filming, someone comes up next to me. There's bikes all in front of me here. Someone comes next to me to push their bike back. You'll see, I think he's gonna pop up any second now. And what the camera doesn't kind of see on both those angles of the videos in the beginning is here. He goes a little wide. Think of this one. He goes too wide, way too wide. Smashes this truck. Goes flying into the light pole and also into that car. Doesn't look like the car was hit, but they were not happy. You see him come out here. And that was the East Coast, and you see that guy's shirt. That was their truck that they had smashed. And she's not happy. There was definitely an altercation, and out of respect for the people that were involved and the driver, I left their faces out. But I can tell you nobody was arrested. Yeah, so nobody pressed charges. Obviously the driver was hit. He did want to press charges on the guy that did hit him. But understandably so. I mean, I'm not advocating to hit anybody, but he can kind of see where he could have hurt somebody. That's the guy's girlfriend, and I don't know, that's the secondhand embarrassment is killing me. But to see this happen, like right in front of my face, it's pretty sketchy. So, this is the stuff that gives us motorcycle riders a bad name. If you're in a car, just understand that you are a lot safer than all the bikers around you. So, just be careful, guys. Honestly, I even felt bad for filming, because obviously I made sure everyone was okay first. So I felt bad for filming, because it could be like both the rider and the drivers like, oh, really shitty day. But I just want to put that out there as a reminder. Guys, be careful out there. Full bike week video. I'll probably be dropping 2 very soon. It's still bike week, so happy bike week. And check out the lives. I think Spider-Man 2's got a new game plus, so I'll probably be on there tonight. Stay safe, guys. Peace.